What up YouTube, it's your boy Kid Phase and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this haircut I did a drop fade, slick back drop fade, and the first thing I did was to wet the hair and create a 3-section guideline. One on the middle, one on the right, and one on the left. Basically, the middle part will be the guide throughout the trim on top. After cutting about an inch from the middle, you're gonna comb that to the right side, and the middle part will be your guide. And then after that, you're gonna comb the hair to the left side, and no, you're gonna do the same thing. But if you don't see the guide, don't cut the hair, because you'll just make the hair on top uneven, right? So when you're gonna trim, when you're gonna cut an inch or so on top, make sure you can see your guide. Now I'm gonna part his hairs using the clips, and then after that I'm gonna remove the bulk with my 3-guard all the way open. With this 3-guard open, I'm just debulking and creating the shape that I want and the client wants, because he wants to keep it a little bit low. So I said to him we could do a drop fade, and then after this haircut you're gonna see the result, and it's a slick back drop fade. Now on the other side too, I'm using 3-guard open and just removing the bulk from the sides and then at the back. Now I didn't get to record the other side, but as you can see, I am setting in my first guideline with my trimmer. With the lever open, I'm gonna set in my second guideline, and it's about an inch, I think. And then you can see me, I was just coaching him, I was teaching him what's lever open and close, because it happened that he's watching 360 Jesus videos of, and he didn't understand what's lever open and lever close. So I was just teaching him. When setting in these guidelines, make sure you are consistently doing that strokes, that up and down strokes, and then flicking out a little bit The next step is the one guard open, and this will be our third guideline. The video quality, the lighting in this video is not really that good, but I hope you'll bear with me, guys. I promise in my next contents I'm gonna make sure where's the light, where's the sun, so that you could clearly see the tutorial I'm making in the before and after clips of my client. I didn't know if you noticed, but I grabbed my 2 guard open, and I'm not really trying to set in another guideline. I'm just trying to blend the length on the sides to the top. And after this 2 guard open, I'm gonna use the magic eraser, which is the 1.5 guard. Open. Always start open, because you can cut hair, but you can't put it back on. So you might need to, but it depends on your preferences, right? Everybody's built different. Everybody's got different preferences. So what I do is that I start off open and then I close the lever as needed. With the half guard all the way open, I'm gonna remove the line between the clipper open and the 1 guard open. Always remember to start off open and then close the lever as needed. Now after this 1.5 guard, I'm gonna wet the hair and then create a section, 2 sections. Start off from the middle to his right corner, and then basically you're gonna do a black graduation. So the length on the sides will be your guide. So you can see those overhanging hairs. You will cut those overhanging hairs, and then after this you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I left the first guideline for the last part. So start off close and then open the lever gradually as you go up. Always start off close when, you don't really have to start off close when taking out the last part, but for me, I start off close and then I open the lever gradually. Now I'm lining up his C cup, and you gotta start from the top and then work your way down to give your client that great C shape. Now I'm lining up the front, but I didn't get to record the other side. I'm sorry guys, but no, it's the same process. But here is the after. Guys, if you think this video is great, comment down below what you think about this cut. Please like the video guys, please, and then subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.